Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters. And I want to talk to you a little bit about the longevity of a Tesla, in particular, the interior after T-Sportline has installed a fully custom interior. And today we have this amazing Model S Plaid. You may remember this has been to us now, this is the third time. We are 4 years in from the original build. This was the super VIP build we did in mid-2021. It was one of the first Tesla Model S Plaids delivered. This customer was based in Atlanta, Georgia. We shipped the vehicle to our California customization facility, and at the time, we did a wrap on this. You might remember, it was a Nuys chalk gray. We had TS118 fully forged 21-inch wheels, and we put this custom interior in here. And I'm gonna show you that interior in a minute. But this car came back to us a couple of years ago. The customer wanted to give it a new look, so we pulled off the chalk gray and we rewrapped it with the Nuys racing green, and we also swapped them out to these 21-inch TSF wheels. So we wanted a fresh look, which we can do for you. It's back again today because he got a flat and we wanted to service the tires for him and just check in on the car. And I'm gonna tell you, the interior looks like the day we put it in. We're now 4 years later, 22,000 miles. And I wanna show you this. We're gonna go through details and say, what does a T-Sportline custom interior look like 22,000 miles later, after life and wear and whatever? It looks like day one. There is literally no wear on the bolsters. Now, I have a 2021 Tesla Model S Plaid, and mine still has the stock factory white interior, and I've got 11,000 miles on my Plaid, but the seat bolsters on the side are worn off. And I barely drive the car. I'm very particular with it. I'm a little disappointed that the factory material on the seats, the vegan leather, it just doesn't hold up. And as a car guy, it annoys me that the interior of mine is wearing off, and I've barely used the car. So I'm super excited to show you what you get with a T-Sportline leather redo on the interior. Proof is in the pudding right here. This is 4 years, 22,000 miles later. There's not any sign of wear interior. The leather, the bolsters, the seats, the carbon fiber, it looks like day one. Really awesome. All right, let's go ahead and get into the inside, and I'm gonna show you what this thing looks like 22,000 miles later. Welcome inside this Model S Plaid, and everywhere you look in here, you can just tell this is a bespoke custom build. Let's start with the leather. We picked the tannery that this leather came from, so we had samples. He got to feel it before we spec'd it and built it. And then all the details. So what kind of pattern? This actually has a ventilated surface, the stitching, the piping, all of that can be custom spec'd. You can see on the doors, we have this pattern on here, and we have all kinds of options. If you don't like what you see here or you have a custom idea, that's what our design consultation is. But you're gonna notice on these seats, this bolster area here and here on a factory seat, the piping in particular on my stock Plaid right here, you go look at your car, this bolster wears out and this piping wears out. And this one, even though it's been redone in this beautiful leather, it's so much more robust than the factory vegan leather. 22,000 miles later, it's amazing in here. This thing looks like the day we delivered it. It's not just the seats, but it's the dash. We did the gloss carbon fiber up here. All of the dash panels are redone. The yoke, you can see this customer's kept their yoke. This is rewrapped in a leather that matches. We've got a carbon fiber down here. Everything ties in beautifully in this car. And don't forget the back seat. The luxury continues back here. You're gonna see all the details. Carbon fiber seat backs, carbon fiber in the door panels. This custom upholstery continues. This dark brown and black combo, the color contrast really looks amazing and classy. Nothing you're gonna see in a factory Tesla. This thing screams luxury. Really nice build here. Super excited to share this with you guys. 22,000 miles, 4 years later, still looks like the day we delivered it. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of this, what you want to see next, and most importantly, reach out to us if you want to talk about what can we do for your Tesla Model 3, Model Y, Model S, Model X, or Cybertruck. All right, everybody, we'll see you in the next video.